Urban Decay Naked Heat Eyeshadow Palette. Product purchased by IMBB. Hi ladies. I have been dying to review this one since a month, but you know the time things take to reach India. Phew. I finally got my Urban Decay Naked Heat Eyeshadow Palette. I'm sure you must have seen infinite reviews on this one already, and I make no bones in accepting that it has again hit the bullseye in the naked range. The palette is amazing in every sense. This one is the latest addition to Urban Decay Naked range. Let's get into the details. Rowdy Beauty, the complete makeup app. Urban Decay Naked Heat Eyeshadow Palette Review. Price, $54, each shade is 1.3 grams. Product description. If you thought our naked palettes were hot before, brace yourself, because our newest iteration is next level. This is Naked Heat, our most sweltering naked palette yet. Give in to the heat of the moment with 12 all-new, can't live without, amber-hued neutrals, including warm browns, burnt oranges, and rich siennas. The most shade-driven naked palette we've ever done, this palette takes naked in a whole new direction. From a super smooth red-brown matte and a glimmering copper to a deep, shifty bronze, this palette has everything you need to create sultry daytime looks, intensely smoky nighttime looks, and everything in between. These shades look insanely flattering on any skin tone, and talk about hot. We're currently obsessed with Fuego, a matte red, which looks amazing in the crease or on the lid. Amber is our go-to shade for the perfect warm smoky eye. We also can't get enough of Scorched, a metallic deep red with gold micro shimmer, and Dirty Talk, a really beautiful metallic burnt red. Every shade in Naked Heat features our pigment infusion system, the proprietary blend of ingredients that gives each shade its velvety texture, rich color, serious staying power, and blendability. Because with shades like these, you'll want to blend the perfect sunset eye, and our formula makes it so easy to transition shades like a pro. Ingredients: talc, caprylic, capric triglyceride, zinc stearate, PTFE, polyethylene terephthalate, calcium aluminum borosilicate, ethylene, acrylic acid copolymer, calcium sodium borosilicate, sodium dihydroacetate, phenoxyethanol, synthetic fluorofligapide, silica, sorbic acid, alumina, polyurethane 33, phenoxide, polybutylene terephthalate, polylactic acid, polymethyl methacrylate, acrylates copolymer, stearic acid, calcium stearate, magnesium stearate. / all shades may contain mica, C77891, titanium dioxide, C77491, C77492, C77499, iron oxides, C77742, manganese violet, C77007, ultramarines, C77163, bismuth hexachloride, C77400, bronze powder, C75470, carmine, C77000, aluminum powder, C42090, blue one lake, C77400, copper powder, C77510, ferric ferrocyanide, C77288, chromium oxide greens, C77510, ferric ammonium ferrocyanide, C19140, yellow 5 lake, C77289, chromium hydroxide green, C19140, yellow 5.